cleaning gloves can aid in messy tasks and ease the frustration of your cleaning hours. We've researched over 12 of the best models available today before purchasing the 5 you'll find in our fleet. With many options available, it takes some research and time to find the right glove. Each model was used to perform various tasks and rated based on functionality, design flaws, and overall user experience. What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best cleaning gloves in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Cleaning Gloves. The Elgood Long Cuff Reusable Gloves are impressive in both length and quality of design. The design was thought through well, solving typical flaws such as sweaty hands and addressing wish list items such as sleeve length. The extra long sleeves are a feature that we searched for and finally found in this glove. The sleeves are secured on your arm with comfortable elastic bands which easily stretch to pull over even a heavy sweater. The glove is designed to fit the hand well, and we had no problems with them slipping around, which also helps when gripping objects. The soft lining provides additional comfort and keeps hands from getting too sweaty. The material is thick enough to protect from sharp objects and hot water as well. A minor shortcoming with the Elgood is if you want to slip them on and off quickly. These take more effort to pull on quickly due to the long sleeves and elastic band. This small hindrance means the effort can outweigh the benefits if you're not using the gloves for an extended period of time. Number 2. Vgo-Pair Reusable Household Gloves. The Vgo Reusable Household Gloves 10 pairs is a standard 10-pack of yellow gloves. The Vgo appears as your typical cleaning glove with few flashy features, yet it surprised us. We expected thin, sticky material but instead found substantial, extra thick material with a soft finish. The insides of the gloves are smooth, and they easily slide on and off the hands. Another nice design feature is the small lip on the sleeve, which helps keep water from dripping down your arm. This is great for kitchen chores and other tasks. They are breathable and don't get sweaty easily, even while using steaming hot water. They fit the shape of the hand well and have a comfortable elasticity to them, which we appreciate when switching between and handling more intricate cleaning tasks. Our main gripe with the Vgo gloves is the shortness of the sleeve. If you're looking for a glove to protect you from dirty tasks, you may want to choose a different glove. The outside of the glove is a bit too soft to maintain a really good grip when washing dishes in soapy water. Because of this, these gloves get a slightly lower grip rating. Number 3. Pacific PPE Reusable Dishwashing. The Pacific PPE latex-free gloves have a similar design to a few others tested and features that make this glove comfortable and pleasant to wear. The glove design fits the hand well, keeps the fingers in place, and slips easily on and off for quick tasks. The thicker material helps avoid easy punctures and comfortably protects from scalding hot water while maintaining flexibility so that the hand can still move easily. The lining is soft and adds to the comfort of wearing these gloves and keeping hands from sweating. Patterns on the exterior of the fingers help to grip objects, while the fabric has a rubbery feel that helps to give a sticky response when holding objects. The length of the Pacific sleeves is fairly average and doesn't protect from splashes well. The gloves are also missing a cuff or feature to keep water from dripping down the arms. Though they are designed well, they may not be the best option for messy and involved cleaning tasks. Overall, these gloves are comfortable, designed well, and a great choice for quick cleaning tasks. Number 4. Elgood Reusable Dishwashing. The Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Gloves are an excellent latex-free pair of gloves, thanks to their comfort and fit. Made with a soft lining inside, they were comfortable to wear for extended periods doing both around the home cleaning tasks and hefty dishwashing sessions. A notable feature is the non-slip design that includes small, gripping pieces of the fabric on the insides of the fingers. This feature works exceptionally well, as the Elgood Reusable stays in place and fits better than many in our fleet. The outside has a matte-like material that helps when gripping slippery objects. One downside to the Elgood is no lip or cuff feature to keep water from draining down the arm. Depending on how meticulous of a cleaner you are, this may or may not be a negative point. Feeling some stickiness on the inside also seems to take away from the comfort, as this feels a bit awkward at first and is something to note. These gloves are very comfortable, fit to the hand well, and are an excellent latex-free option. Number 5. Wahoo PVC Dishwashing Cleaning Gloves. The LANO and Wahoo series PVC gloves are a pleasant find, as we never thought that a pair of cleaning gloves could handle the transition from food prep to washing dishes and cleaning countertops. These gloves can do just that. Being latex, DEHP, lead and cadmium free, they are specifically marketed for food use in the kitchen. This is a nice feature for those who want to keep their hands protected from staining and odorous foods while moving easily between food and kitchen cleaning tasks. Construction is thicker in the hands, with the sleeves thinning out a bit. The LANON Wahoo received a high comfort rating during testing. The material is slightly matte on the outside and soft on the inside. The thin material and flexibility help the gloves to feel breathable. We tested these gloves while preparing onions and garlic for homemade pasta sauce, moving between cutting, cleaning, and cooking on the stovetop. The gloves were flexible and thin enough to handle most objects easily. Although cutting onions was a pleasant task, we found peeling them slightly difficult. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.